While there are various methods for treating viruses, bacteria, parasites, fungi, worms, and bugs that cause illness, such as antibiotics, antifungals, antiparasitics, and antivirals, it is important to consult with a licensed healthcare professional to receive appropriate diagnosis and treatment. The most effective way to prevent the spread of infectious diseases is through good hygiene practices, such as washing hands regularly, covering the mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, and avoiding close contact with sick people. In addition, vaccines are available to prevent some viral and bacterial infections, and it is important to stay up to date on recommended vaccinations. There are various types of electronic devices, including some Rife devices, that claim to use specific frequencies to kill harmful microorganisms, including viruses, bacteria, parasites, fungi, and worms. These devices are the Virus Expert Program device, Potential Therapy device, Rife Power Bugs Virus Zapper device, RadionX program. While certain frequencies can have effects on the body, including stimulating the immune system, there is no scientific evidence to suggest that these devices can effectively treat diseases. How do you know if you need a parasite to cleanse? Parasite cleanses or detoxification device refers to the process of eliminating parasites from the body. Parasites are organisms that live on or inside another organism, host, and feed on its nutrients. Some common types of parasites that can infect humans include tapeworms, roundworms, hookworms, and protozoa. Here are some signs and symptoms that may indicate the need for a parasite cleanse. 1. Digestive problems. Parasites can cause digestive issues such as diarrhea, bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. 2. Skin problems. Some parasites can cause skin rashes, itching, and other skin-related problems. 3. Fatigue. Parasites can cause fatigue and weakness due to the loss of nutrients from the body. 4. Allergies. Parasites can trigger allergic reactions and cause symptoms such as sneezing, coughing, and hives. 5. Sleep disturbances. Parasites can disrupt sleep patterns and cause insomnia or other sleep-related issues. 6. Weight loss. Unexplained weight loss can be a sign of a parasitic infection. 7. Joint and muscle pain. Parasites can cause joint and muscle pain and inflammation. It is important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other conditions, so it is essential to speak with a healthcare professional if you are experiencing any of these symptoms. They can help determine the cause of the symptoms and recommend the appropriate treatment. How often should parasites be devoured? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to how often one should do a parasite cleanse or detox. The frequency of doing a parasite cleanse depends on several factors, including lifestyle, health status, and exposure to parasites. For individuals who live in areas with a high risk of parasitic infections or those who have weakened immune systems, it may be necessary to do a parasite cleanse more frequently. Similarly, individuals who consume a diet that is high in processed foods, sugar, and alcohol may also benefit from doing a parasite cleanse more frequently. On the other hand, individuals who maintain a healthy lifestyle, consume a balanced diet, and have a strong immune system may not need to do a parasite cleanse as frequently. It is also essential to note that doing a parasite cleanse too frequently can be harmful to the body, as it can disrupt the natural balance of gut bacteria and lead to nutrient deficiencies. Therefore, it is best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a parasite cleanse to determine the appropriate frequency and method for your individual needs. How do we know we need to depower viruses, bacteria, worms, parasites, and bugs? The need to depower viruses, bacteria, worms, parasites, and bugs depends on several factors, including lifestyle, health status, and exposure to infectious agents. Here are some signs and symptoms that may indicate the need to depower these infectious agents. 1. Frequent infections. If you are getting sick more often than usual or have recurrent infections, it may be a sign that your immune system is compromised. and you may need to depower the infectious agents in your body. 2. Digestive problems. If you are experiencing digestive issues such as diarrhea, bloating, gas, or stomach cramps, it may be a sign of an infection by bacteria, worms, parasites, or bugs. 3. Skin problems. Skin problems such as rashes, itching, or other skin-related issues can be a sign of an infection by bacteria, viruses, or parasites. 4. Fatigue. If you are feeling constantly tired or fatigued, it may be a sign that your body is fighting an infection. 5. Joint and muscle pain. Joint and muscle pain, stiffness, or inflammation can be a sign of an infection by viruses, bacteria, or parasites. 6. Fever. A fever is a sign that your body is fighting an infection and may need to depower the infectious agents. It is important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other conditions, so it is essential to speak with a healthcare professional if you are experiencing any of these symptoms. Although a physician cannot remove the illness unless he knows the cause. The knowledge of pathology enlightens a homeopath about the causation of illnesses. This knowledge helps a homeopath to differentiate between the common and uncommon symptoms of illness and characterize the symptoms of the client, which are very useful for the remedy. Currently, a research device and any potential therapy recommendations shown by the device may be discussed. The device takes readings of the frequency wave from wherever it originates and decodes and displays it on the computer screen in a three-dimensional projection. Every virus, bacteria, parasites, fungi, worms, and bug cell has their distinctive frequency, which is stored in the computer's memory. In this case, the computer creates disharmonic electromagnetic frequencies that block and possibly eliminate these organs, inverting their frequencies to become equal to zero. The 8DLRIS Virus Expert Program device claims to work by analyzing the electromagnetic frequencies emitted by the body and using that information to diagnose and treat various illnesses, including viral infections. The Rife PowerBugs Virus Zapper device is a type of electronic device that claims to kill harmful microorganisms, including viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungi, by emitting specific frequencies. The concept behind the Rife PowerBugs Virus Zapper device is based on the theories of Royal Raymond Rife, who claimed that certain frequencies could destroy microorganisms. The use of electronic devices, such as the Rife PowerBugs Virus Zapper, for medical treatment. While it is true that certain frequencies can have effects on the body, including stimulating the immune system, it is important to consult with a licensed healthcare professional for appropriate diagnosis and treatment. Various types of Rife devices, including the RadionX and other similar devices, claim to use specific frequencies to kill harmful microorganisms, including viruses, bacteria, parasites, fungi, and worms. To summarize, potential therapy adopts high potential, negative potential, and intermediate frequency, if potential to rebuild the natural electric field to let you undertreated back to nature, eventually repairing various disorders and obstacles caused by the damage to the natural environment. The potential therapy device claims to use various types of electric potentials to rebuild the natural electric field of the body, with the goal of treating various disorders and obstacles caused by environmental damage. While certain frequencies can have effects on the body, including stimulating the immune system, it is important to rely on scientifically proven medical treatments and to consult with a licensed healthcare professional for appropriate diagnosis and treatment. Any decision to use a device or treatment that is not scientifically validated should be made only after careful consideration of the potential risks and benefits.